Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the runZero tool. So, runZero is a tool that scans your network and tells you what devices are connected to it. It may be computers, servers, IoT devices, etc. Think of it as network inventory scanner. It finds everything on your network, even devices you didn't know were there, without needing password or special agents installed in each device. It's mainly used by IT and security teams to know what's on their network so they can protect it better. So we can start with the free trial. Here you can see start free. We can click on this and we can give here our email and accept the button. Click on this I accept button. This will generate an email with your account in runZero. So email will look like this, and after clicking on this you can activate your account. Once the account is activated, then you can go to the sign in button and you can log in your runZero website. So I have already logged in here with my account, so I will show you further steps here. So I installed this few days back, so my trial period 12 days are remaining. So like this, once you have logged in here, you need to install the runZero setup on your system. You can download from here, or there is a direct link you can copy and paste in your browser, and it will start download automatically in your system. See, so I have already downloaded it in my system, so I will stop this. See, this is my already downloaded file, so I can run as administrator. So this will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes button and it will open the terminal like this, and you will see here runZero is started. Sometime you will see access denied message. So installation is complete. You can see, let's again run this as an administrator. This will we can resolve this error by deleting the existing file and installing this runZero setup again. So let's go to our control panel and install program. Let's find runZero setup. This will uninstall the runZero setup, old runZero setup. Then we can continue this new download. So let's wait for the download. So you can see the file is downloaded in my system. Now I will run this as an administrator. So pop-up will become, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We can click on yes button. Terminal window will be open. Now you can see there is no error regarding the permission denied, etc. So it means your runZero is running fine. So now let's move to the next step. So we will use this runZero platform to scan our network to see which devices are connected to this. So let's see. So we have successfully done this step. We install our runZero platform. That was the deploy and explorer step. So we will go to the discover your asset step. For that we need to initiate the standard scan. So let's click on this start standard scan button. So we can, this is our optional scan name. Let me give this scan me 101. So this will come by default. Scan rate, you I will increase it, so it will increase the process of scanning. So this is my network IP address. So this will come automatically. It will find your IP address on your system and automatically will display here. This is optional scan description. You can give anything. Scan DSC. So these were the mandatory fields. Let's click on initialize scan. So this confirmation pop-up will display, and you can see here and confirm the scan. So like this, the scan is initiated. It's currently 0%. It will take some time to scan the whole network. You can see task is in progress. This was our scan name. So this is our ID name. So we have to wait for some time to see the progress. Once this will be done, then we will see the connected devices. So scanning is done. You can see here 100% task processed. We can see the status below as well. This is the scan 101, scan processed, completed 4 minutes ago. So this was my ID. So yeah, it's done. Let's see view more. Click on view more details. You can see new discovered assets 0, assets back online 1, asset marked offline, asset changed 14, unchanged, total assets seen by task 14. So let's see our 14 assets that we discovered in our scan. So these are my devices connected like tablet, printer, desktop, server, media server, Apple Mobile, Apple Media. So like this we can see what networks are connected to our what devices are connected to our network. Here you can see the risk. So on my current network there is no risk available, and you can see low risk. Let's see what's inside this low risk, what type of risk this device has. So already been few latest version you may assist. So this is tablet, here Wi-Fi, address findings, this best practice low risk, finding name certificate and TLS service risk. Let's see what's inside this. This is a group of finding related to certificate and services that use them. So this is a very low risk device. See individual queries for remediation step. So we can ignore this as this is a low risk device, but sometimes the risk might be critical and high. So in that case, we need to take the action on those devices. I can show you my previous scans for better idea of critical risks, like tasks overview. Here you can see my previous scans. So let me show you how the scans will look like with critical risks. See, this is my previous scan. Assets 82 were found. If I click on view more details, you will see here all the devices are listed here. Let's go to one step back. This was scan 6. Task. Task overview. I need task 6. Let's replace our ID. C. Here you can see critical, high, information is for information, none. These types of risk we can see, and by looking into these risks, we can take actions accordingly. So see, this is a laptop, Apple Mac. Risk is critical. If we scroll down here, you can see more details about risk. This is a vulnerability risk, that is critical one. Remote code execution vulnerability, and the second one is end of life operating system. If we click on this will give more detail. See, end of life. What's this type of risk? Here is our overview. The indicated assets are running an operating system version that have reached their end of life, end of service, and they're no longer supported by vendor. Attackers often seek out such assets and leverage unpatched vulnerability to gain access or cause service outage. So they give the details about that particular risk. So this is very useful to see what assets should be updated and what kind of risk asset can have. So we need to update this device immediately, as this is a high risk and it's already operating system. It's not supported by vendor as well. So this was the whole purpose of this runZero, and we can use also the reports. Let's go to the report section for export. If we this is a report section, we can explore the reports. Let's There are different types of reports available here. So I will show you one of the asset risk report. Let's click on launch report. Here we need to give this information. I will keep this as by default. If I click on create report button, so these all risks are ready to export as a CSV. So we have three types of options. I will go with the CSV one. So my report is generated. Let's open this report. So you can see the critical high, these types of reports you can see here. Yeah, so that's all about the runZero. There are other features as well. I just wanted to cover the basics of runZero. I hope you like this session. So okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for your patience to be with me. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.